The Volkswagen Passat B7 from 2010 to 2015 comes equipped with front fog lights designed as auxiliary lighting for challenging visibility conditions. These fog lights emit a wide, diffused beam positioned at a low angle, typically 15 to 20 degrees below horizontal, which helps minimize reflection off water particles while enhancing lateral visibility. Fog lights are not meant to replace your main headlights, but to supplement them specifically in adverse weather conditions, such as fog, heavy rain, or snow. The primary function of fog lights is to cut through fog, mist, and precipitation, helping to reduce the risk of accidents by providing better lateral visibility without causing glare for oncoming traffic. The fog lights on your Volkswagen Passat B7 are controlled by a dedicated switch on the dashboard, typically located near the headlight stalk. To enable the front fog lights, first ensure your low-beam headlights are on. Then, pull the switch outward one step. A green fog light symbol will illuminate on the instrument cluster to confirm activation. To disable the fog lights, simply push the switch back in. Remember, the fog lights will only activate when the low-beam headlights are on, as a built-in safety interlock. If the switch feels stiff or non-responsive, it could indicate a potential fault in the system. Fog lights should be engaged in conditions like fog with visibility less than 100 meters, heavy rain, snow, or dust storms. Using them improves your visibility and makes your vehicle more visible to others. According to VW guidelines and international road safety standards, anti-fog lights should be used proactively during adverse weather to improve safety on the road. Avoid using fog lights in clear weather, as this can cause glare for other drivers and may be illegal in some regions. Fog lights are subject to important safety and legal considerations that every driver should understand. In many regions, fog lights are legal, but must comply with specific color and positioning rules. They are typically white or yellow and positioned low on the vehicle to avoid glare. Misuse of fog lights, such as using them on dry roads where they can cause unnecessary glare, can result in fines. They should only be used in conditions of reduced visibility. The Passat B7's fog light system includes automatic deactivation when high beams are selected, preventing glare for oncoming traffic and ensuring safer driving. Always check your local regulations regarding fog light usage to avoid penalties. Rules can vary by region and should be reviewed regularly. Remember that fog lights are a safety feature designed to improve visibility in adverse conditions and should be used responsibly to enhance road safety. If your fog lights are not working, start by ensuring your low-beam headlights are on, as they are required for fog light activation. Next, check the 10A fuse in the engine bay fuse box for any issues. Inspect the bulbs, which are typically H8, H11, or H7 halogen types, for burnout. A corroded relay or wiring issue in the body control module could also be the cause. If problems persist, consult a qualified mechanic. A popular trend is upgrading from halogen to LED fog lights for better performance. LED conversions offer improved brightness, energy efficiency, and a much longer lifespan compared to traditional halogen bulbs. Aftermarket LED kits from brands like Philips or Osram are available as plug-and-play upgrades that enhance anti-fog effectiveness with brighter, more reliable illumination. When upgrading, ensure any aftermarket LED lights are DOT approved and comply with local regulations to avoid safety issues or legal problems. LED upgrades also provide long-term savings by reducing the need for frequent bulb replacements. Regularly inspect your fog lights to ensure they are functioning correctly. Check for any damage to the lenses or housings. Clean the lenses regularly to maintain optimal light output. Consider replacing halogen bulbs with LEDs for increased longevity and brightness. If you notice any flickering or dimming, address the issue promptly to avoid potential safety hazards. According to experts, annual inspections are recommended for B7 models. While the Passat B7 uses traditional fog lights, newer vehicles feature advanced systems like adaptive LED fog lights that automatically adjust intensity based on driving conditions. These advanced fog lights integrate with ADAS, working alongside sensors and cameras to enhance visibility in poor conditions. Future trends point towards fully automated fog lights, triggered by AI-based visibility detection, using infrared and visible light sensors to assess road conditions in real time. Sustainability trends favor eco-mods like low-power LEDs, which consume less energy and last much longer than traditional bulbs. For B7 owners, maintenance focuses on cost-effective repairs over replacements. Keep an eye on aftermarket options that may improve functionality or aesthetics of your existing fog light setup.